So I think so fill in the blanks all clear. First one, the condition on the basis of which records will be filtered is specified in the short view. SORT. Data is filtered in ascending or descending order in the dash row, short row. Then dash is an organized collection of data, that is query. Dash is used for adding, modifying and removing records in a table, that is form. Dash is used for modifying the format of a form, that is layout view. Is it correct? Any doubts till here? कहीं wrong fill तो नहीं किया ना? Okay. So the rearrange, this you will do yourself. It's very easy, and it will be checking your IQ level also, how much faster you are doing. Yeah, first one is queries, correct. Second, window. Second one is what? First one, queries. No, you do this yourself only because these are easy. Rearranging, reordering, you practice in your English grammar also, na? Second one is what? What is second one? Window. WINDOW, window. Huh? No. So these you will complete yourself. Fine, na? At least you will go through the chapter only. Mark the right statements and cross for the wrong statements. So the first one is what? The query window has been divided into 4 panes. Is it correct or false? Fine. The query window has been divided into 4 panes. No, it is false because it is divided into 2 panes. Correct, na? Query window is divided into 2 panes, not in 4. So it is a false. Database is used to represent a table in a printed form. False. Multiple conditions are specified using the criteria row. Yes, we get a multiple options and they are automatically set for the functioning. Next one. A query in MS Access produces selected records from a table that meets certain predefined conditions. Yes, true. The short row is used for filtering data in ascending and descending order. Yeah, correct. If you want to arrange the data in ascending or descending order, then you have to use the short row. Is it correct? First and second, that is false. Okay, na? First, second false, third true. And then the next, fourth one is true and the fifth one is also true. Filled? Yeah. Question answers. Okay. Just a second. Our first question is what? What is query? Correct? So this answer is on the page number 19. Page number 19. Call up points. First point. Query in MS Access produces selected records from a table that meets certain predefined conditions. This is your answer first. Okay now? Got? Yeah. Second question was what? What is the use of auto format option? Yeah, I think so. We wrote this answer. Answer number second is this. It gives default view to the form. Answer second. It gives default view to the form. Got? Yeah. Question number third is what? What is the function of navigation bar? On the same page number 17, you can see the highlighted portion. The navigation bar can be utilized to access the records on a form. Utilized means used for various purpose. Utilize means what? Better use. You can say better use. This is your answer number third. Yeah. Question number third is, what is the use of navigation bar? Answer is on page number 17. The highlighted portion. From here, the navigation bar can be utilized to access the records on a form. This is your answer third. Utilized means used. To use to do any function. Yeah. Question number 4. Name the views available in MSSs in which a report is displayed. Page number 17. Did you came to page number 17? So you can see just below this picture, there is written 3 views are available in MSSs to view a form. And what are these 3 views? Form view, layout view. What are these? Form view, layout view, and the design view. Did you get? From 3 views till design view. This is answer 4. Got? Yeah, okay. Question number 5th. Write down the steps to create a query in MSSs. Come to the very first page of the chapter at the page number 13. You will see a heading here, how to create a query. Correct? A query may be based on the other queries or set of tables. ये heading आपको लिखनी नहीं है. You don't have to write this heading. You will write here steps to create a query. Okay? Then you will begin. The following steps are for creating query. This is answer number 5th now. This is which answer? Answer 5th. And then you will write these 5 steps. Step first, step second, step third, step fourth, and step fifth. Till click on close button. So like this, a tab will come, and when you will add, it will come like this. Second answer once more time. Okay, girl, I'll tell you. Don't worry. You mark these, then I will tell you that second one answer. Don't worry, Anya. Okay, I'll tell you. Just now, I'll tell you. Yeah. Then question number 6. Ria, what is the question 6 which I gave? Yeah, correct. Add one more question on the page number 13. Question number 6. What is the use of form? Yeah. What is the use of form? Answer is at the first para. A form is used for adding. Question written? Yeah. A form is used for adding, modifying, and removing records in a table. This is your answer 6th. Okay. From where to where? A form is used for adding, modifying, and removing records in a table. Did you get? Okay. Question number 7. Question number 7. Write the options available in design grid. Is it visible now? Question number 7. Yeah. Write the options available in design grid. This is your question 7. And the answer is just below to it. What is that? Field, table, short, show, and criteria. That is on the next page number. Criteria. You have to write only headings. And this is your answer 7. Correct now? You have to write only this sky blue color headings. Not about them all. Okay? Because the question is write about the options available in design grid. So you have to write only the names of the options which are present. Field, table, short, show, and criteria. Did you get? Yeah. Or everybody got 7 answers? Second remaining that I'm telling you. Yeah. We have to write the next question, question number 8. Question number 8. What is the use of form view? What is the use of form view? Question number 9. What is the use of design view? What is the use of design view? Question 10th. Yeah. Don't worry, I'll upload this. Question number 10. What is the use of layout view? Written? All these? Yeah. So answer number 8. It is on the page number 17. Page number 17. You will see the headings. Correct now? Form view, design view, and the layout view. Form view. It is used for typing or editing data. This is your answer 8. Okay. Design view. It is used for modifying the design of a form. Answer 9. And layout view. It is used for modifying the format of a form. Till form. This is your answer 10. Till form. This is till data. This is till design of a form and it is used for modifying the format of a form. Till form it is. Answer number 10. Done? Why Ansh at 8:30? Ansh, there will be class at 8:30. Why but? Okay. We will see. We will arrange according to our programming. Don't worry. Don't worry about that. Okay. So let me see if is there any one more question to write. Write the use of form. Question number 11. Question number 11. Write the use of form. Okay. Then page number 17, in the first para heading MSS's forms. At the last line, a form is very useful to use when you have numerous fields in a table. जब हमें बहुत सारी fields table में देनी है, then this is useful. A form is very useful to use when you have numerous fields in a table. And one last question I see. Write about the multiple criteria that may be added on a table. Question number 12. Write about the multiple criteria that may be added on a table. Question number 12. Write about the multiple criteria that may be added on a table. So the answer is on page number 16. Page number 16, multiple criteria that may be. In the answer, you will add here that. Multiple criteria that may be added on a table, first and second or. First and second or. This is your answer here, 12. Correct? Yeah. Now I think so everybody is clear with this chapter and we have completed this chapter. Only we have to read about the MS reports. Correct ना? ये तो पढ़ लिया था हम लोगों ने. Yes or no? Form view, design view, layout view. Once again we go. Okay. Forward reading. Okay, fine. We will go through that. Hey, starting, but we have read yesterday only. What is query? It is a collection of data, predefined reports. It has three forms. It has three views of the form. It may be a layout view, design view, like that, na? And one more was there. Yeah, we have to carry on from here that MSS's report. But once we read, no problem in that, girl. एक बार और clear हो जाएगा, कोई problem नहीं है उससे. Okay. Second answer. That is. Yeah. It gives default view to the form. What is the use of that? It is asking somewhat. What is the use of auto format option? Correct. So you may write this answer, girl. It gives default view to the form. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Then we will go through the reading. A query in MS Access produces selected records from a table that meets certain predefined conditions. Means as you want, you can prepare the query. Just for example, if we see here, roll number, name, address, age, result, click to add. If you want to add any more field like city, hometown, nationality, mobile number, so like that you can click on add and you can add here more fields and these all will be displayed together of all the students. You can see just how many names are here, all the details can be seen in one single row. Correct? चुप रहने का क्या लोगे भाई? Yeah. So a query in MS Access produces selected records from a table that meets certain predefined conditions. Rajdeep, continue reading from here. A form is used for. What is the meaning of adding? किसी भी एक entry को add करना. To add any more entry in that. Correct ना? Add का मतलब किसी और entry को उसमें add करना. मॉडिफाई का मतलब टू रीडिजाइन इट, उसको शेप देना, डिजाइन कैसा चाहिए, उसका फॉर्मेट कैसा होना चाहिए. एंड रिमूविंग रिकॉर्ड्स इन अ टेबल. Suppose we want to remove this column. So we can delete this full column and this full record will get erased. So these all things can be done on a form.